Hey everyone, welcome back to Sham's Makeup Artistry. Today I actually filmed a very simple eyeliner kind of look for you, and it's more of like an Indian tutorial. You can actually wear it on everyday basis, and you can even glam it up and wear it for functions or also festival. So I do hope that you enjoyed this tutorial with me. Without a further ado, let's just get started. As a face primer, I'm using the Hourglass Mineral Veil Face Primer all over my face area. And this gives a base for the foundation, and it also contains SPF. To cover up the enlarged pores, I'm using the Milk Makeup Blur Sticks. This is optional. And for the foundation, I'm using two foundations today. One of it is the Bare Mineral Bare Pro Foundation, and the other one is the Dior Forever Foundation. So the Bare Pro gives much more of full coverage, and the Dior one gives more of a glow finish. So I like mixing both of them. And I'm using my Real Techniques buffing brush to apply the foundation. I'm also using the foundation as an eye primer. I'm going to set it with the Bare Mineral Bare Skin Powder. For the eye, I'm going with the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadow. And the very first shade that I'm picking up is Transition and Are You Kidding Me? And I'm applying this over my crease area as a transition shade. Just keep blending. And the next shade that I'm picking up is Brownie Points. It's another matte shade. I'm just going to deepen the crease area. If you love neutral shades, then you would definitely love this eyeshadow palette. The next shade that I'm picking up is Cool Beans, and I'm applying this on the center lid area. Just using my fingers to apply these eyeshadows. And I'm blending it so that it doesn't leave any harsh lines. I'm using the Smashbox eyeliner on the inner rim. And I'm also using the Thrive Cosmetics black eyeliner on the top lid. I'm going to actually apply a liquid eyeliner on the top of it. And for the liquid liner, I'm using the Maybelline Curvitude liner. And I did most of it off camera, so excuse that. So it's just a simple wing eyeliner. Moving on to concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel. This is much more to correct the under eye area and also the areas that I want to correct. Using my beauty blender to blend them in. As an highlight shade, I'm using the shade Honey. And for contouring, I'm using the same Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm blending it with my beauty blender. This step is totally optional. I'm setting my entire face with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder. And this gives a glow to the skin. You can use any setting powder in fact, but I personally like this setting powder. And for the bronzer, I'm using my Hourglass bronzer in Bronze Light. I did not set my under eye area because I do have a dry under eye area. I'm using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Highlighter in Luminous Light, just all over my high points of the face. And for the blush, I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin Mio blusher in the shade Grape Wine. These blushes are totally pigmented, so you want to go very light-handed and then you slowly build it up. But I love blushes. And for the highlighter, I'm going to use the Dior Skin Nude Tint Sunset Edition. Applying this all over the face area that I want to highlight. Now for the brows, I'm using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil to define the eyebrows. I'm setting it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. I'm using the Smashbox eyeliner for the lower lid area. I'm just using the eyeshadow brush and just blending all the shade in. I'm not adding any eyeshadow. As an highlight, I'm using the shade Crystal for my brow bone and also my inner corners. Just curling my lash with my Bobbi Brown eyelash curler. And for the mascara, I'm using my Thrive Cosmetics mascara for both my upper and bottom lashes. And finally, for the lips, I'm using the Sephora lip liner in Biscuit. I'm using the Smashbox Stay Always Liquid Lipstick in the shade Stay Neutral. And here you have it, a very simple and achievable spring makeup look. I do hope that you enjoyed this tutorial with me, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. To my very next one, stay beautiful both inside and out, and goodbye.